Hey guys, welcome back to another product review. I've been using the Kingbolen Elite for over a year now, and lately this little diagnostic tool has absolutely blown up in popularity, so let's talk about why everyone's suddenly talking about it. This thing is tiny, powerful and packed with features. Seriously, even Scotty Kilmer uses it. It's super affordable, fits right in my glove box, and honestly it's a must-have not only for DIY enthusiasts but also for professional mechanics. And since it's universal, we use it all the time in our workshop. I actually stopped using my launch tester because of the annoying early subscription fees. With the Ediag app, you get lifetime updates for free. In this episode, I'll show you just how easy it is to retract the spindle from an electric parking brake motor on most modern cars, and you'll see why this little tool punches way above its weight. So stay until the end because this episode is super interesting. You can buy the Kingbolen right now from Amazon with just £74, but I also have a 5% discount code for my viewers. So go to the description of this video and there you will find the discount code, links and all details you need. But keep in mind, just 3 months ago this product cost around £60, so as it grows in popularity the price increases as well, so I wouldn't wait too much before ordering it. Trust me, this is no marketing strategy, I am just stating the obvious. Using the device is super simple. You download the Ediag app, enter the product code and the activation code and you're ready to go. As I mentioned, in this video I'll show you how we easily replace the rear brake pads on my car, a 2014 Mercedes W166 equipped with an electric parking brake. It's very simple. I go to maintenance functions, which is really cool because you no longer waste time entering the specific module. Brake reset. I choose Mercedes from the car list. Turn the ignition on. Tap OK. Passenger car. Automatically scan the VIN code. The VIN code is correct, so I tap OK. Move to the assembly position. And then I tap F3. Now I can proceed with replacing the pads. If you're interested in the exact replacement procedure, I'll also add a link to the full tutorial in the description of this video. Don't forget that on this channel you'll find lots of interesting tutorials and product reviews with great discounts, so you can save as much money as possible. Now I go back into the same menu, tap F4, and that's it. As I was saying, the Kingbolen Elite has tons of diagnostic and service functions. In the description you'll also find a link to another video where I solved a fairly common issue with the fuel supply systems on Volkswagen Audi cars, one that's often hard to diagnose. In conclusion, this is the most useful universal diagnostic tool I've ever owned. It is small and lightweight, it runs through a mobile app, and even though it may not look professional, believe me, compared to other testers, its database is very well maintained with regular updates, and the Ediag software has never let me down on any car. Is it worth the money? Absolutely. Whether you work only on your car, help your friends or own a car shop, this tool is worth every penny and then some. I invite you to try it and I guarantee you won't be disappointed. If this video was helpful, hit those magic buttons, like, comment, hype and subscribe. It costs you absolutely nothing but helps the channel a lot to keep creating useful and high quality content. I wish you all the best. Bye bye.